start part 1 of the banking awareness series. It will be in 3 parts. This is for September month. So let's start. First question is how much crore was sanctioned for 500 water projects to improve the water availability in the drought-prone Bundelkhand region, Uttar Pradesh? 15,000, 7,500, 2,500, 5,000 or 10,000 rupees? Its answer is 10,000 rupees. Prime Minister Narendra Modi sanctioned 500 water projects worth rupees 10,000 crores. Next question, who co-chaired the 17th ASEAN-India Economic Ministers Meet along with Vietnam's Tran Tuan An? Options are Ravishankar Prasad, Anurag Thakur, Nitin Gadkari, Piyush Goyal, or none of the above. Its answer is Piyush Goyal. The focus of the meet was to discuss the reviewing ASEAN-India Trade in Goods Agreement AITIGA, which has been recommended by ASEAN-India Business Council AIBC report. Next question. The Department of Telecommunication and SEBI has given approval to Reliance Jio to sell its unit worth rupees 25,215 crore in Tower Infrastructure Trust to which company? Bharti Airtel, Cybertech International's New Enterprise Associates, Brookfield Infrastructures, or none of the above. Its answer is Brookfield Infrastructures. It also approved a downstream foreign investment of 105.35 crore rupees to acquire remaining 49% paid-up equity share capital in Reliance Jio. Reliance Jio and increase the foreign capital in the firm to 100%. Next question. European Investment Bank plans to invest 650 million euro for the first metro line of which city? Coimbatore, Patna, Kanpur, Noida, Surat. Its answer is Kanpur. The it will be 32.4 kilometer urban rail line with 18 elevated and 12 underground stations. And it will be EIB's second biggest operation outside European Union. Next question, what is the contraction of India's GDP growth in Q1 of FY21? Data released by NSO. Its answer is 23.9% contraction. It means it will be minus 23.9%. Next question, how much crore worth contract was signed by Defence Ministry with Indian companies for supply of 6 Pinaka regiments to the Regiment of Artillery in Indian Army? 1,250 crores, 2,130 crores, 3,520 crores, 2,580 crores, or 5,240 crores? Its answer is 2,580 crores. 6 Pinaka regiments companies of 114 launchers with automated gun aiming and positioning system AGAPS, this is important, the full form, and 45 command posts to be procured from TPCL and Messrs L&T, and 330 vehicles to be procured from BEML Bharat Earth Movers Limited, and their induction will be completed by 2024. Next question, which state government received the nod from IRDAI recently to form its own insurance firm? Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, or Chhattisgarh? Its answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is among the few states like Bihar, West Bengal that is chosen to have their crop insurance schemes. Next question, headquarters of IRDAI is located in which city? Its answer is Hyderabad. Next question, how many women and girls will be pushed towards extreme poverty in 2021 according to the reports of United Nations Women and UNDP? 35 million, 47 million, 29 million, 56 million, or 87 million? Its answer is 47 million. Women and girls will be pushed towards extreme poverty in 2021. 47 million. Next question. Which state government has signed MOU with the SIDBI to develop MSME ecosystem in the state? Jharkhand, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Gujarat, or Goa? Its answer is Maharashtra government. The decision has been taken on the lines of recommendations of Upendra Kumar UK Sinha Committee on MSMEs. This committee was set up by RBI, and this gave the decisions. This gave the recommendation. This committee gave the recommendation to develop MSME ecosystem in the state. S. Krishna was appointed as the MD and CEO of which bank? Bank of Baroda, Indian Overseas Bank, Canara, Bank of Maharashtra, Punjab and Sind Bank. Its answer is Punjab and Sind Bank. He will replace S. Harishankar. Next question, what is India's rank in 13th edition of Global Innovation Index 2020 released by World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, Cornell University and INSEAD Business School, स्विट्जरलैंड में जिसने टॉप किया है, स्विट्जरलैंड ने जिसमें टॉप किया है? 48th rank, 84th rank, 36th rank, 72 rank, or 110th rank? Its answer is 48th rank. The theme of the 13th edition of GII is Global Innovation Index में का ये 13th edition था, and इसका theme था Who will finance innovation? Who will finance innovation? Next question, the RBI has increased the held to maturity HTM limit or the amount that banks invest in G securities from 19.5% to what? Its answer is from 19.5% to 22%. ये limit HTM limit increase कर दी है by RBI. Next question, which fintech company's subsidiary LazyPay launched a first of its kind digital credit card named Lazy UPI. Lazy UPI credit card, डिजिटल क्रेडिट कार्ड किस लेजी पे कंपनी ने लॉन्च किया है? ये किसकी सब्सिडरी है? ईटी मनी, मोबीक्विक, पेटीएम, पेयू और लैंडिंग कार्ड? इट्स आंसर इज पेयू. Lazy Pay is a part of PayU Finance has launched Lazy UPI, a first of its kind digital credit card. Next question, Finance Industry Development Council (FIDC) requested RBI to review new current account recently. Where is the headquarters of FIDC? Lucknow, Bhopal, New Delhi, Kolkata or Mumbai? Its answer is Mumbai. FIDC headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. On August 6, 2020, this year, or in August 6, RBI issued revised guidelines for banks for opening current accounts in order to maintain discipline among the borrowers. The next question, which state government has launched approved a 600 crore rupees project named Rejuvenating Watersheds for Agriculture Resilience through Innovative Development Reward? This full form is important. Rejuvenating Watersheds for Agricultural Resilience through Innovative Development Reward with World Bank assistance. Options are Telangana, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha or Madhya Pradesh. Its answer is Karnataka. Next question is, the headquarters of Shrey Equipment Finance Limited is located at Guwahati, Kolkata, Agartala, Chandigarh or Ahmedabad? Its answer is Kolkata. Shrey Equipment Finance Limited is a public incorporated on 13th June 2006. It was established in 2006 and it is classified as non-government company और रजिस्टर होती हैं कंपनीज. रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज कोलकाता वेस्ट बंगाल में रजिस्टर्ड है. Next question, World Bank has signed $82 million worth deal with which state for road transformation project? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh or Telangana? Its answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, the state government of Himachal Pradesh and World Bank signed $82 million, approximately 600 crores loan deal to support Himachal Pradesh standard transport and road safety institutions. The loan is from the IBRD. ये वर्ल्ड बैंक की एक शाखा है, वर्ल्ड बैंक की एक ब्रांच है जिसने लोन प्रोवाइड किया है. हैज़ अ फाइनल मैच्योरिटी 15 ईयर्स की मैच्योरिटी है और ग्रेस पीरियड होगा 5 ईयर्स का. Next question, RBI has specified 5 financial ratios and sector-specific thresholds for resolution of COVID-19 related distressed assets in 26 sectors on the basis of the recommendations of which committee? KV Kamath, Goita Gopinath, Sundar Pichai, Soumya Swaminathan or none of the above? Its answer is KV Kamath. RBI specified 5 financial ratios and sector-specific thresholds for resolution of COVID-19 related distressed assets in 26 sectors. And the committee was headed by KV Kamath. Next question, Indian economy is expected to be contract by what percent in financial year 2021 as per Fitch? Its answer is 10.5%. Next question, name the company which enters into the online banking, broking, online insurance broking and planned to launch the portal named Pay Bima. Its answer is Mahindra Finance. Next question, according to the report titled Levels and Trends in Child Mortality, India's child mortality rate has declined from 3.4 million in 1990 to what in 2019? Its answer is 8.24 lakhs. This report was prepared by UNIGME, United Nations Interagency Group for Child Mortality Estimation. Next question, the Government of India has signed a 500 million worth loan agreement with which organization for Delhi Meerut RRTS? Its answer is ADB. RRTS is Regional Rapid Transit System. Next question, SBI Mutual Fund launched SBI Magnum Children's Benefit Fund recently. Headquarters of SBI Mutual Fund located at Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, Gurugram or Noida? Its answer is Mumbai. It is a part of SBI Magnum Children's Benefit Fund. Next question, which bank has modernized its payment switching system using ACI's retail payment solution? SBI, PNB, Canara Bank, United Bank of India or Indian Bank? Its answer is SBI. Next question, US-based Silver Lake has planned to acquire what percent stake in Reliance Retail Ventures for 7,500 crore rupees? Its answer is 1.75% stake. India, Australia, along with which country participated in the first trilateral dialogue on economic strategic challenges in Indo-Pacific recently? Options are Germany, France, Japan, US or UK. Its answer is France. Next question, the gross NPA in public sector banks were reduced to what in March 2020 from 8.96 lakh crore in March 2018? Its answer is 6.78 lakh crore rupees. Next question, which company launches central bank digital currencies CBDCs testing platform? American Express, Mastercard, Visa, PayPal, Capital One. Its answer is Mastercard. Next question, which company has launched a service named Cash Advance, a collateral free line of credit to increase MSME cash flow? Braintree, Paytm, Razorpay, PayPal or Instamojo? Its answer is Razorpay. Next question, name the bank which plans to launch Safal, a loan product for organic cotton growers? SBI, PNB, Canara, United Bank of India or Indian Bank? Its answer is SBI. CS Setty's MD of SBI informed the SBI will launch loan product called Safal. Safal is safe and a fast agricultural loan during a fintech conference organized by FICCI. Next question, what is the expected real GDP growth of India FY21 as per estimation of CRISIL? CRISIL के according real GDP क्या है? Its answer is -9%. Next question, what is India's rank in 24th edition on economic freedom of world 2020 annual report? 79th rank, 65th, 105th, 116th or 132? Its answer is 105th rank in 24th edition of economic freedom of the world 2020 annual report. Next question, and it was based on 2018 data and it was the 24th edition. Next, and Hong Kong topped the report. Next, and it was followed second number Singapore, third number is New Zealand. Next question, with the headquarters of Asian Development Bank located Shanghai, New Delhi, Mandaluyong, Beijing or New York? Its answer is Mandaluyong. Sorry for my pronunciation. ADB developed in 1966 and headquartered is in Philippines. Next question, which bank has signed a $15 billion deal with Suguna Foods to sustain rural livelihoods in India during pandemic? AIIB, NDB, ADB, World Bank or none of these? Its answer is ADB. Next question, the RBI laid down guidelines for banks to appoint chief compliance officer recently, CCO recently. CCO should be appointed for minimum fixed period of how many years? Options are 3 years, 2 years, 5 years, 1 year or 7 years. Its answer is 3 years. Next question, credit rating agency Moody's has projected contraction. Moody's के according contraction कितना है? 12.5%, 10%, 11.5%, 10.5%, 11%. Its answer is according to Moody's 11.5% contraction है. What is the rank of India among the fastest growing finance market in the world as per the report of Payoneer? Payoneer के according इंडिया की रैंक कितनी है fastest growing finance market में? 10th, 7th, 5th, 2nd or 11th? Its answer is 2nd rank. A report on financing in 2020 and abundance of opportunities by Payoneer. Next question, name the bank which partner with ICICI Lombard for bank assurance? ICICI Bank, RBL Bank, Yes Bank, Axis Bank or HDFC Bank? Its answer is Yes Bank. Next question, IFSCA International Financial Services Center Authority signed MOU with India Gold Policy Center at IIM Ahmedabad to set up International Bullion Exchange IBE in India. Who is the chairman of IFSCA? Its answer is Injeti Srinivas. In International Financial Services Center Authority, chairman is Injeti Srinivas and first chairman. Next question, SBI General Insurance Company has signed corporate agency agreement with which bank? Its answer is Yes Bank. Next question, India's GDP to contract by what as per the ADB? Its answer is 9%. Next question, Rajesh Khulla has been appointed as the ED of which organization? Its answer is World Bank. The appointment of Rajesh Khulla as the ED of World Bank and the appointment of Samir Kumar Khare, ED of ADB, Executive Director of ADB. Next question, headquarters of Paytm is located at where? Its answer is Noida. Next question, which bank partnered with Titan to launch India's first contactless payment watch named Titan Pay? Its answer is SBI. Next, SBI, through this partnership, Titan SBI launching a range of stylish new watches with contactless payment functionality for the first time in India. Next question, We find the organization which launches awareness and sensitization program for FPO farmer producer organizations in coordination with the district administration. Its answer is NABARD. गाइज यहाँ प्रीवियस ये इन्फॉर्मेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है. CK Venkatraman is MD of Titan and Rajesh Kumar is chairman of SBI. They unveiled the product. Next question, currency of Japan. Its answer is yen. Tokyo is the capital and currency is Japanese yen. Next question, MD and CEO of SBM Bank India. Who is the MD and CEO? Its answer is Siddharth Rath. Next question, what is the expected GDP of India in FY21 according to OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development? Its answer is minus 10.2%. OECD के according minus 10.2%. And last question of the series is, where does the headquarters of OECD located? Its answer is Paris. The headquarters of OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, is located at Paris, France. Thanks for watching this session. If you really like this session, if you think that this is useful for you, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.